Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen.
We back!
And we got pork loin wrapped two ways. So if you guys will see, we'll put a link up here for Father's Day. I did a porchetta, and the porchetta was deliciata.
Yeah.
And Levi made his version up in Indiana. I said, well, I gotta try that. So we're here. We're gonna try two different ways. So the first one, I'll describe the first one. You describe the second one.
Okay.
We got our gorgeous pork loin here, which is a total of 10 pounds. We're gonna be 5 pounds one, 5 pounds the other one. I don't know. We're gonna have leftovers for weeks. Anyways, for the first one, we're gonna butterfly it. We're going to do spinach and cream cheese mix. We're gonna do a little SPG binder on the inside. Can't forget our garlic. We're gonna have some crushed garlic. We're gonna season it up with, or wilt the spinach with garlic herb butter, Kerrygold. And then we're going to wrap up the pork and wrap it in baking, and then dust it with the CEO's favorite one, which is Honey Killer Bee by Cosmos Q. That's what's going to be wrapped on this one, on the larger half. And the smaller half.
Oh, I get the smaller half?
The smaller half.
It's 5 pounds and 5 pounds, Michael. We do this 2 ways. It's even.
The smaller half is going to be.
We came up with a Granny Smith apple, honey, brown sugar, stuffed loin, which we're going to use Meat Church's D's Nuts, salt and pepper on the inside, and we're going to use unsalted butter. Pretty easy, kind of like an apple chutney inside.
Apple chutney inside.
Oh my God, it just,
So we'll get this all ready to go, and we'll be right back in 2 seconds. So we're off and running. We're broken down all our things. I'm going to start butterflying the 5 pound pork loin, and Levi is going to.
I get to play with garlic. I'm getting one of these for the house because I don't have one. Jamie's gonna be so loving of you. We're gonna have garlic smells in the house forever. And all we're doing is just getting this ready to go. And get the butter going, get the garlic going, so we can get the spinach nice and broken down with this butter in there. 2/3 tablespoons of the butter, just fine. Get the fire going, we'll get it ready.
So that's the garlic, the Kerrygold garlic herb butter. You're gonna wilt the spinach in there, and we'll come back when it's time to add the
cream
sour
cheese.
cream.
Cream cheese.
We'll be right back.
Now we're gonna add our cream cheese. We're gonna mix that all together, and then we're gonna be ready to transfer right over to the loin and wrap it up.
Fold it up.
Fold it up. Fold it up. Yeah, we're not wrapping it. We're folding it.
We'll be right back.
All right, we got our stuffing ready.
I'm using the Cosmos Q SPG, which is salt, pepper, and garlic, and I'm gonna go light on this one.
Light. We don't want to oversaturate it with the garlic because we got a lot of garlic and it smells so good in here. All right, you ready?
Scoop it in.
All right, here we go.
Ooh, baby. First time for everything. Again, he got inspired from the porchetta. He made this one, so we're just replicating what he did. You should try stuff at home. Tag us down below and let us know if you like it or not. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm going to just fold over.
Yeah, fold it. Fold it. Yep.
And then?
Toothpick. Here. You're good. You're good. I'm just getting it back in there. Yep. That's what I did. I just pulled the lid off.
See, we're different. There's no way I would take that out. I get it back in there, but it's okay. I'll get it back in there. We're fine right now. We're still friends.
We're good.
Until you start putting ghost pepper in there. So this one now we're going to dust with the Killer Cosmos.
That sounds good.
Oh, now it sounds good.
Thought you said you were hungry.
Oh yeah.
And this will all just firm up right on the top. I don't hatch it, I don't layer it, I don't tie it, and it'll sit right on the rack.
So 1 down. Oh wait, while we got this,
might as well flavor it up.
Just a little light dusting, nothing crazy.
Hey, hold on. Yeah. No, you're good. Yeah, you're good.
And now 1 down. We'll come back for the second one. We're on to
our second way.
So he's going to start doing butter and brown sugar, and I got 4 green apples. At his house, he's got fancy schmancy apple cores.
An apple core.
I know.
Right out.
So I'm doing it old school way, like we used to do in the cafeteria.
I do. Whole stick of butter.
Oh my God.
We're going to get that hot. Get it hot in Michael's kitchen. Whole stick of butter. We did.
Oh Lord.
This might be a little bit of much butter. We did.
Little bit.
Little bit. This might be a little bit of butter. Get it hot.
Once the butter's melted, we'll show you the next steps.
All right, we got our butter almost all the way brown.
Butter is melted. No.
Yeah, melted. It doesn't go brown. It melts.
And then.
Okay. Now we're gonna add some fun. Brown sugar. That's about 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Let that butter soak into it. That's our ooey gooey. Oh wait, hold on. It's not gooey enough, Michael.
Jesus.
Let's just go ahead and put some honey in it.
Now, neither one of us has tried this recipe. This is basically an apple chutney. None of us tried it, but here we go.
We are shooting from the hip, and I'm just going to town on some honey.
He's doing this. I'm not tasting this one. I'm not excited about tasting this one, but we're gonna go down.
How can you not be excited about it?
We're gonna go down with the shit.
You smell this right now?
Did you see how much butter and sugar you put in honey in there?
Yes, I did.
There's gonna be more honey than pork.
Hey, can we get some apples? We need some stuffing.
There you go. Throw your apples in there.
All right, here we go.
Got a lot of faith in Chef Michael here putting his hand on that close.
I trust you with my life. All the life.
Here we go.
And again, we're not looking to saute them. We don't want to brown the apples. We just want them to heat up in that butter and the brown sugar. For what reason?
Make it ooey
and gooey. All right, we got our caramel apple honey goodness in here.
I'm going to go ahead and get this ready.
He's going to season the meat. I'm pulling the apples out of our sauce. Don't get rid of your sauce. We're going to use that here in a minute.
Pepper. And then a light dusting. A light dusting of these nuts.
Don't be liberal, though?
No, this is be liberal. Be cheap. Light.
Okay. All right, you ready?
I'm ready. This is going to be either love it or leave it.
This is that ooey gooey.
He likes the ooey gooey. OMG.
And we're going to fold it.
We're going to fold it?
Not roll it.
Not roll it. Well, you might as well put all the apples in there. That's it. Oh my ooey gooiness. Oh my. So we're folding?
Folding.
You want these in here too?
Yeah, I guess you can put it back here. Yeah. And then...
Fold?
Yep. Fold and I'll toothpick. I'll seal it.
I know the goalie's after. We'll leave it with this.
We're good. Okay. You want to roll it?
I'm thinking about it.
Okay.
This may be...
Yeah, roll it.
Where's your little spooch? You still have a few more there?
Yeah.
I'm just thinking about it.
We're doing improv.
Because this one's bigger than the other one.
Yeah. I see where you're going with it. I like it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay. Leave it just like that.
You don't. I don't even need it because we're gonna place it like that.
Yeah.
But we do have my hands.
I got you.
Thank you. We're working together here. My hands a little dirty.
Woo! Now be liberal.
No, now you can be.
And we're gonna go into the Traeger at 275 degrees until the internal temperature is
160.
160.
Pull at 160.
Internal smoker for 275 degrees, 160 we pull.
Yep.
Be right back. So as we were pulling this over, the CEO decided
she wanted us to tie it up.
So
Because it's leaking.
So tying up it is. So
Yeah, let's
like
go.
our porchetta video that you guys already saw the link. And if you don't know, 2 twines, fold over, wrap 2 or 3 times, and then when you pull it taut, it self holds. Taut, it self holds. Then finish the knot by doing another knot. And this is
Oh,
going.
hey, I just learned something. I didn't know that. I've never had any luck with that.
And
Thank you.
then we're
Hold
done.
on, wait.
Oh
We're not
my,
done.
Oh my god.
Just for the top, a little bit of dusting. Little drizzle. Look at that.
Oh my lord.
I was gonna do with some cover.
Jamie, I don't know how you do with him, Jamie. I'm glad he's leaving soon. All right,
Alright, let's go to the
We'll be
smoker.
right back. So we are 275 going in. So I'll let sous chef Levi put the one that he drizzled all that love on it. Well, your hands are dirty. You may as well do it.
No, I don't want to contaminate it. We got 2 different flavors going.
Two
here.
different flavor
2 different
profiles.
palettes. Oh, yeah. Alrighty.
So we've been patiently waiting for about 2 hours.
The smell.
Oh, yeah. Unfortunately, you guys don't get that. But this is looking like fire, and they probed 165, 160. 165 the apple wrap.
The apple wrap.
And that's because it was thinner.
It was thinner.
160 on the spinach
Spinach.
and cream cheese wrap. So take a look before we pull, because they are looking gorgeous.
Which one is which?
This is the bacon wrap.
Spinach. And that's the apple.
So probes coming out. Probes are coming out. Mr. Glove Man here, since he's got the gloves, is going to reach in and patiently take out. And there's one out. And the rack is in there. Rookie move with the rack in, right?
That's okay. That's okay. We got it. Oh, that smell.
We will let rest for 5 minutes, and then we're going to slice and dive in.
Yep.
We'll be back.
It's that time. We're back.
So poor Levi has been suffering because he's not used to waiting.
I don't wait. I don't rest. I don't wait.
But we got to rest.
It rested.
It rested. Normally I rest 10.
We rested 5.
5. So we're
4.5.
So you want to do a reveal?
Yep.
You want to see it outside?
Ready?
This is the bacon wrapped.
And this is the apple stuff. Ooh.
So we're gonna slice. Oh God!
They can't smell it.
It
They
smells
can't
delicious.
smell it. Cut
So I'm
it.
gonna slice.
Cut it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Dude, go or I'm gonna punch you.
OMG. Can I split?
Yeah.
Whoa.
What do you think?
Levi, which one should I sliver? You tell me. You take a pick.
Dude, just hurry up and cut me a piece. I don't care which one it
Let's
is.
do this one. Let's do this
Oh
one.
my gosh.
Let's do this one. And I'll get this out of the way. Are you getting a fork?
Yeah.
We're amongst family here.
Okay. Those are for everyone else then.
Oh my god.
You gotta wait.
It's gonna be hot.
I already waited 4.5 minutes. Come on, pick it up. I want the middle one. That's a bigger piece.
Okay.
And that was yours.
This
No,
is-
they're
this is
so
fighting
good.
over the.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Cheers.
Can I have a piece?
It's weird to talk with your mouth full. This is so good.
Look at his face.
That is delicious. The smoke ring, I don't know if you guys can see that on the video. The smoke ring, the bacon is crispy, the spinach, the cream cheese.
I'm crying. It's so good.
This
It's
is,
so good.
we'll split this one again, me and you.
All right. And it's a smaller bite.
Oh, there's toothpick in there, so pull out, pull away,
Stop it.
and I pull in my toothpick. It's delicious. No, it's delicious.
They're hands down. Hands down.
So we're done with this right now.
Yeah. Now we get to go to mine.
So now we're gonna taste the apple chutney, sugary, sweetie.
Gooey, gooey.
Ready?
Yep.
This one's good. I'll get rid of this and we'll do a little reveal here.
Oh my gosh.
And you say, faith, baby, faith. Look at that.
You guys aren't smelling. Did you no? Do you smell the brown sugar and the apple?
Yeah.
That looks amazing.
Look at the ring.
I need a
Look at the ring.
Look at this. You see the smoke on here?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
All right. So we're gonna do another little cut. Which one you want? This one or this one?
Cut it.
Cut it. You know.
Cut it.
It's killing me.
So this one's done.
It's falling apart.
Look how juicy it is.
It's falling apart.
1, 2. Pick your poison.
Here.
Yeah, make it smaller.
Small bites.
Can I go?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going. I'm not gonna cheat.
You're not gonna like it. Just no.
Take a little piece.
It's amazing. That is amazing. Right? We're gonna fight over it.
Cheese and rice. That is delicious. I've been nervous
All day.
all day. Nervous. Pork and apple and honey brown sugar. And he's doing this concoction like a witch over here. That's freaking delicious, guys. Freaking delicious. No. That's delicious.
I know you're not. It's unexpected.
Right.
Apples on a.
Don't be afraid to experiment, dude. I've been festering nervous all day. Guys, he freaking violated my teddy bear. Honey. Violated my teddy bear, and that is delicious.
It worked.
Next time, apples and banana.
We already had apples. And they were
No, banana. That's delicious.
Guys, if you like the video, comment down below if there's anything you want us to try or make. Really, I would never have done this had he not said, this is on a whim.
Yeah,
This is not a plan.
Just having a conversation this
And
morning.
this is the pecan.
Pecan.
Oh, that's killer. These nuts, it's delicious.
Yep.
Subscribe for more. That said,
Habían tiempo.
A buen tiempo.
I'm waiting for we're getting there. Are you ready to eat some more?
Yes, let's eat.
All right, babe. Which one you want? This one or this one? Take that.
Oh.